Hi friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. To my regular subscribers, thank you for coming back. To the new guys, you're gonna love it here. As you can see, I'm doing my favorite thing in the world. I am on the go. I know how much you guys love my luxury travel content, so you're gonna love this vlog. Please stay tuned. Please be sure to click the subscribe button, the notification bell. I know I'm inconsistent, so you need that notification bell for the time when I actually come alive. I am at Eagle Island Lodge in the Okavango Delta. It is a Belmond Safaris property. It's absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to show you around. Stay tuned and I'll show you my trip in. What language is that?
Wayei.
Wayei. Hi guys, so this is going to be a recap of day one. Day one was not a full day. As you know, we got here around 6:30. So just got in, got to get to see the room, get to be acquainted with it, have a bit of a siesta, and then get prepared for dinner. Dinner was a braai today, which was my favorite part about it, was that I got to have my favorite types of meats. A chicken, a kudu, sausage, a steak, and then obviously you know what you're used to, the salads, the potato bakes, the corn. It was delicious. But my favorite part about it was our starter and our dessert. The starter was a chakalaka salad. I love chakalaka, and I pride myself in making an incredible chakalaka. But I've never thought about making it into a salad. It was delicious. They were able to add like roughly chopped onions to it, and you could taste the garlic. It was just delicious. Something that I'll definitely try. And for dessert, we had a tipsy tart, which had dates and nuts in it, which was very delicious. So we had all of that and then called it a night pretty early, because it's been a very, very busy couple of days for me, as you may know. So I'm super excited to just get a good night's rest in before tomorrow's early start. We're going to be doing a sunrise safari, or what we'll call a game drive, because we're not American. And I've done a million game drives. So I'm hoping this one, the difference would be in spotting animals I haven't seen in a while. My key on the list are leopard and maybe a rhino. I really like this place because you're more likely to spot those elusive type of cats. Those, it's just like it's a prime spot, So yeah, I'll catch up with you in the morning. I'm just feeling grateful, man. It's been a hellish year, a very traumatic year for me. So to be able to celebrate starting a new business and having my first successful, if I may say myself, successful first experience with Passport 2, I felt it's very necessary for us to celebrate. And I'm trying to do the vlog a little bit differently this time and have recaps at the beginning and plannings recaps at the end and plannings at the beginning, so that you get a real feel of how it was and on the go explanations of how it's going. So anyway, it is late now, so your girl is going to grab a nap or sleep. I'm tired. I haven't slept in 3 days, but yeah, God is good. God is love. Good night. Morning, guys. It's super early in the morning and OT has just dropped off a little something for me to make my morning coffee, so that when we go on this game drive, I'm alive and friendly. How cool is this bag? Anyway, yeah, I'll show you the coffee when it's done, and then we can go off to breakfast quickly before the game drive. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, everybody.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We are off for the game drive I told you about. And if I do not spot a leopard, I'm going to scream. Look at how beautiful this property is. That's Victor there. Oh. My what? Thank you.
All right. Good morning once again.
Good morning.
It's a perfect morning, perfect day. Hope so. And those blankets is to keep you, if you feel like it's windy, you can cover yourself with those blankets. And behind there I have ponchos in case the weather changes. So I see it's a little bit cloudy. Don't hope it will be rainy. So it's, in case it happens, it's rain, we have ponchos that we can put on. And yeah, so today we're gonna go much into the western side, check around to see what we can see around there. I guess we have our lucky stick with us. Yeah, and yeah, any questions you're highly welcome to ask. So we're gonna check around, maybe we'll see some leopard.
Please.
All right. Any questions?
No, none from me.
Yeah, water in the cooler box. Then somewhere around 10ish, we're gonna stop for coffee and tea, or 9:30. All right. Copy that. There we go.
Not too deep for the car to go.
We'll find out when you start getting wet. Then we go for next time, yeah?
You're like, okay.
One of the most successful of all the antelopes. Breeding, and also they are not selective feeders. They will graze and browse. Because the grass as well as the leaves, so animals that are like that would be fine all year round, compared to animals that would specifically feed on one type of vegetation like plant fruits that would Impala or Mr. Hutudili. Hey, that's not good. There's a lot of fur there that has been plugged off here. And it's usually the leopard that will plug off the fur, while dogs don't really plug off the fur. The dogs will just rip off
the meat, the chunks. Just chip around there.
Yeah. But I see the lower mandible here. Maybe the hyenas came and chased off the leopard.
This dog does look like a scavenger. Just look at its face.
Found them a lot of land fields.
How do you feel, Mr. Muriski?
That was like the first time doing that, and I am not about to attempt that again. But it was exciting. Victor literally pushed me out of the car, going on tips, and the whole photography element of the event, and it was fun.
So we're getting to the reception area, which I showed you a bit of earlier, where we're going to have lunch. Usually there's people singing and dancing over here, so you get the full Belmond experience. That's Tilly. Hi, Tilly. Good, thank you. So yeah, so we're going to have lunch here. Here's my fave, playing chess. Yeah, let's have a look at the space while they play and wait for our food. These beautiful antique sofas, and we go down. This is where we had dinner last night. They'd set up nice tables over here, but right now we've got the chairs being outward facing, so that you get a full experience. If you look right there in the distance, there's an elephant right there. There's tons of elephants on the property. There's actually 2 right now. And that looks from here like kudu and impala. And yeah, this is usually you have a fire going here when it's a bit chilly. But yeah, please just look at this space, guys. I die. If you look out there, over there is the Fish Eagle Bar. I'll try and get a sundowner there at some point so that you can have a look at what it looks like. But I love this space and it smells so good. Yeah, later. This is what they've set up so far, which is salads. This looks like, what is this, beetroot? Carrot?
Salad, yes.
With, it looks like there's citrus in there. Is it oranges or?
Yes, oranges, beetroot.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and carrots.
And then this
That one is
bulgur wheat or?
butternut, feta cheese,
Yeah.
and biltong.
Love it.
And that one is tuna with hard-boiled eggs, with green beans, tomatoes, and olives.
That is delicious. Let's have a look in here. About to have dinner. So how was your barge experience?
It was amazing. Watching the sun set over the water with 3 types of birds and hippos in the water was crazy. You'll see the pictures and you'll see what I'm talking about, but it was such a good experience, very relaxing, and I definitely would advise everybody to try it. Water has that effect. You have to go on water and look good when you do so.
Good morning, everybody. Sorry I didn't close off the vlog yesterday. Just to let you know, when I got to my room after dinner, these are the buffalo that was sitting right outside my room, guys. Like right there. What? You guys nearly sang "It Is Well, It Is Well." I went on my early morning Mokoro ride and a hippo came up very close to us. Hi friends. Sorry, the last time I checked in with you guys was after my near-death experience. Shame I'm joking, it was not near-death. It was just scary as hell. We went for a Mokoro ride with my lovely polo Matt, and he was giving me information, teaching me about what the wildlife was around here, and there was a beautiful herd of buffalo. I don't know if it's a herd, but you know what I mean. And then there were, on the western side, there were 3 elephants. I use west and east now, guys. I'm a convert, you know? I even know directions. I love Belmond. So we were able to do that, and as soon as we got closer to the hippos, to the buffalo, there was a huge hippo there, and it got a bit upset with us, crossing his territory, so it got, yeah. Luckily, Vic was there, he saved the day. He jumped into his boat and chased it away so that we're able to just pull our way out of there, which was, adventure. We talk about seeking adventure, and when it comes, you gotta let it happen, man. It was a beautiful experience. There'll be lots of pictures and stuff. You can check on my Instagram at Herrero Rocher, or on the Belmond Safaris Instagram as well. Yeah, it's been a beautiful few days here. It's been amazing. It's definitely worth saving up for. It's definitely worth the drive down. I didn't get to see my leopard, but that means I have to come back, thankfully. Yeah, let me go grab my last sundowner or my last one for the road before we leave. So this marks my final drink at the Eagle Island Lodge, Belmond Safaris, and it has been such an incredible stay. I'm sure you've gotten to see a little bit around. I'm sorry my videos cut every now and then, iPhone storage issues, but yeah, it's a beautiful space. You'll see the rest of it on my Instagram and on the Belmond Safaris Instagram page as well. Yeah, it's been a beautiful experience. I'll show you our way out. So that's it, folks. We are going home. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to my regular subscribers, I'm really grateful. I will try be a little bit more consistent. And yeah, let's get out of here.